Alright folks, how's it going? At the moment I've got my finger in a splint. A couple of weeks ago I was grabbing my phone off the bed and I leant forward, went to grab my phone, and I don't know what I'd done, but my finger was really uncomfortable. I don't know, all my weight went on this finger, so whether I busted my finger I don't know. I asked my daughter, she said, like, you know, you might have sprained it. So anyway, I'll digress. The reason for this video is that I've basically had a little project that I did the other day. Was, as usual, clearing out, doing some, you know, usual tidying up in my shed, and I came across this axe head. Looks like a small carpenter's sort of axe head, if you like, and I thought, well, what I'll do is a little project. It was really rusty and everything else. I found it literally while I was out in the woods, and so I thought what I'll do is I'll set myself up a little project out in the shed, as you do, and I'll basically put a handle on there. The handle's just a piece of hazel, nothing special, you know. I'm not going to be felling trees with it or anything else. It is a very small axe. Alright, it literally is that kind of size. It's got a nice pummel on the end there for sort of putting tapping tent pegs in, or breaking bits of bone, or tapping flint and all that such like stuff. I actually managed to put a wedge in the end there. I basically use one of those kind of thick nails, give it a little bit of a sharpen. Covered the handle in some of the good old birch oil, so it's got that nice burnt smell there. And then just to finish off, rather than me making a little leather sort of cover for the axe head, I literally just used a bit of birch bark. Now what I did do to finish off is I literally used just a piece of natural cord there, just to kind of pull it in to make it quite tight, because it really is only wrapped around a couple of times, and as much as it sits there, I'd rather it sit there rather tight. And basically I've just, as I say, put this little bit of birch bark on there to act as a sleeve. What's nice about it is that it slips lovely into my Steuben. It's not going to be, you know, anything. It really is just going to be an axe for just maybe using around a campsite, splitting up fine bits of wood and stuff like that, and as I say, pummeling bits of flint maybe, and bone, and whatever else, and tent pegs and such like. All right, so nice little axe there. All right, quite impressed with that. Managed to get a reasonable edge on it as well, quite good. Yeah, blunt as arseholes it was. All right, so there it is folks, nice little axe, another little project that I've done. Simples. All right, cheers folks, thanks for watching, take care, don't forget to subscribe, and obviously stay safe.